Hey traders, welcome back to Ashafx. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. This is where we break down Forex in the simplest way possible. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use MetaTrader 5 step by step. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to open a chart, place a trade, and start feeling confident using MetaTrader 5 like a real trader. Let's get started.
First thing first, if you haven't downloaded MetaTrader 5 yet, you can get it from your broker's website or from App Store. MetaTrader 5 is available on Windows, Android, iOS and Mac. Once you install and open it, you will need to log into your trading account, either demo or live account. And your login credentials, you'll get them from your broker. Remember, in the previous video I told you that you need an ECN broker. So you Google broker of your choice, any broker you like, and then you get your login details. You're gonna put them in your MetaTrader 5. Now you can start to trade. And now let's explore the platform. Let's explore what you're looking at on the screen. You see here we have codes. Here. So here it's where you'll find your Forex pairs, your broker offers, and then we also have chart window. You see here, I'm just gonna circle this. This is the chart window where price moves. Okay, so at the bottom here you have terminals. At the bottom here you can see like your trades, your balance, everything. Here you have two buttons. You have sell and you have buy. It's either you buy or you sell. You can choose any according to your strategy or your setup. If you see buy, you can click buy. If you see sell, you can click a sell. And then we have a lot size over here. We have a lot size over here. You see here, you can click here and then change your lot size. The higher the lot size, the more money you will make or the more money you'll lose. You click your chart, this toolbar will pop up, and then you can change time frame. Now we are on the 4-hour time frame. You can click 1 hour. This is a 1 hour time frame. You can zoom in and out, so you can see, and you can go to 15 minutes in and out. Or let's say maybe you analyze. When you analyze, always start with the higher time frame. Now let's just go to daily, and then you open a daily chart, and let's try to analyze. Just for example, now let's say you draw a trend line. I'm gonna click here. This is a trend line. Use a trend line. This is a trend line, as you can see here. It's a simple setup, this one. And here you see price touches here for the second time, and when it touches here for the third time, now it signals you to buy. You're gonna buy. So we're gonna cover these things in the next lesson. I'm just giving you an example. This is a trend line. Okay, now let's try to use and then support. Click screen. Any can add. These are my favorite, but you can add any. Let's say use horizontal line. Now this is an horizontal line. Look at this. You can also change the color of this. Let's say you wanna use the trade at purple line. Say you see now it's purple, so this is a resistance. So you see when price touches here, it went down, it was resisted, and then also here it went down. You see, so you learn more about this in the upcoming videos when you learn to analyze. Here I'm just showing you the chart. So let's say now you analyzed and it's a buy, it's a lot size. Okay, you click, let's see, gonna use lot size 0.10, and then you say it's a buy, and you buy, then it's done. You want to see your price, your profits, your running profits, you're gonna click here, down here. See here? Here I'm just using tablet, but it's the same as for a smartphone, so you see the same thing with your phone. And then you click trade. You see? Now it's we open the trade, and then currently running in a loss. You see? And then let's go to 15-minute chart. You see here? See this line? It shows where you opened your trade. So we bought here, and then now if you buy and it sells, you'll run in a loss. If you buy and it buys, you'll be in profit. You see? So when you close, let's close the trade. Let's close the trade. When you close the trade like this, it means now we lost -$2. You see? And then you go to history. It shows that yeah, you traded and then you lost $2.80 here. And that's it, guys. You now know how to use MetaTrader 5. In the next video, we are going deeper now. I'll show you how to read charts, understand candlesticks, and spot market structure like the smart money concept. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below if this helped you. See you in the next video.